The MacBook Air M5 is probably the most perfect laptop Apple has ever made for most people. It's light, it's powerful, and it looks amazing. But let's be real for a second. If you actually want to get professional work done, it comes naked from the factory. And as a creative lead, I realized very quickly that Apple's minimalism can sometimes be a massive bottleneck for your productivity. So today I'm going to show you how I fixed the main problems of my Air M5 using accessories that don't just work well, but they actually maintain the premium look we all love. And since the Amazon Big Spring Sale kicks off today, it's literally the perfect time to build this kit because prices are at an all-time low. So let's dive in and solve the first big drama, which is obviously the ports. So a lot of people think that because the Air has MagSafe, the two USB-C ports are enough. But for a pro workflow, that's just not true. Well, at least to me. Because I need more ports. So when I sit at my desk, I want efficiency. And that's why I bought this Satechi 7-in-1 Pro Slim Hub. And what makes it special is that it perfectly occupies both Thunderbolt 4 ports on the Mac, while leaving your MagSafe port completely free for power. And the secret here is the speed. While most cheap hubs are capped at 5 gigs, this one gives you two USB-A 10 gigs data ports, one USB-C 10 gigs, and even a USB 4 pass-through port that handles 40 gigs per second and up to a 6K 60Hz display. And so it's the difference between waiting 10 minutes to upload my 4K camera footage or doing it in seconds. You also get HDMI for a 4K display, you get SD and microSD slots, and it's made of high-grade aluminum that matches the Mac perfectly. It feels like a hardware upgrade rather than just a dongle hanging off your computer. The color is exactly the same. I don't know how they did it, but it's exactly the same. Now let's talk about professional presence, because even with a hub, you're still tethered to a cable. And if you're a manager or a CEO, you know the stress of walking into a meeting and hoping the HDMI cable reaches your seat, or your Mac's compatibility with a TV. Not to mention that the MacBook Air doesn't have an HDMI port. So Llano solved this for me with their wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. So all you need to do is you just plug the transmitter into your Mac and the receiver into the TV, and it creates its own dual channel 5G connection. No Wi-Fi passwords, no lag, no drivers or software installers. Just an instant 1080p image. Something really cool you can do with this is that you can either mirror the screen, you can extend the display, or just show a window or app. But let me show you. So as soon as you plug in the Llano transmitter, this is the menu you'll see. So you just need to choose now. So my distance from the TV is about 4 meters, and with the transmitter connected to the computer, there's virtually no lag. I love this thing. You can also use it without the transmitter, so you just plug the receiver into a TV or a projector and do screen mirroring via AirPlay or Miracast. It's really that simple. And the range is crazy, because it works up to 15 meters away, so you can literally walk across a huge conference hall while presenting. And here's the best part, it's not just for your Mac, because since it's USB-C, I use it with my iPad, my iPhone, and even TV boxes. And it's worth mentioning how small this is. It's really small, which makes it really easy to carry in your backpack or just have it always connected in your meetings room. Now, the receiver needs to be connected to the USB port of your TV because it needs 5-volt power, which all TVs have nowadays. It comes with all the cables you need ready to start working. So it makes you look like the most prepared person in the room, and it's on a massive deal right now for the spring sale. Now let's talk about chargers, because I actually stopped carrying the Apple charger altogether. It's bulky and it only charges one thing at a time. So instead I have this Anker GaN Prime 120 watts, which is way smaller and faster. Plus it has 3 ports, so I can fast charge my Mac, my iPhone and my iPad, all at once from a single outlet. So if you are from cafes or you're traveling for work, this is the only brick you'll ever need in your bag. Next one, storage. So we all know the Apple storage tax is insane, but you have to be careful with the market right now. The Samsung T7 has always been my favorite because of its reliability, but the price of 1TB recently jumped from $80 to nearly $190 as I'm recording this video. So that's a hard pill to swallow. So for this spring sale, I'm recommending the Crucial X9 Pro for Mac as the smart alternative. It's around $130 right now, and it's tiny and it's fast enough for me to edit 4K video directly from the drive. So don't overpay if you don't have to. Now, protection doesn't need to be expensive expensive to be good. And I found this Inateck sleeve and it was a massive surprise. It's very affordable, but look at the engineering. It has a 360-degree rubber ridge inside, so if you drop your bag, the corners of your Mac hit a bumper and not the floor. It's water resistant, it's got that soft flannelette inside, and it even comes with an extra accessory pouch for your cables and all the accessories you might need. It's clean, it looks professional, and it's a steal right now. Honestly, when I ordered it, I wasn't expecting it to be this cool. Now let's talk about the audio, because the Air M5 speakers are okay, but they aren't MacBook Pro level. And if you're in a shared office, you need privacy. So I switched between my AirPods Pro for the ecosystem convenience, but I've also been testing these Link-like Ringstar Air earbuds. And for the price, they are incredible because they support LDAC for high-resolution audio. On a Mac, the music actually sounds richer and deeper. Plus, you're always aware of your surroundings, letting you feel everything that is happening around you. It seems like this new style of open-ear earbuds is a trend now, and I honestly can see why. Good sound, the clip-on system is great, it doesn't hurt your ears, and they are way cheaper than the AirPods Pro. So if you spend hours in calls or you're a music lover, having a dedicated pair of high-res earbuds is a game changer. Now the 12-South Curve Flex stand, which I've been mentioning a lot in my videos, and your Mac is going to thank you for this one, because the 12-South Curve Flex is easily the most useful stand I've ever used. It lifts the Mac to eye level so you aren't hunched over your desk, but the killer feature is that it folds completely flat. So it fits in my bag right next to the Mac in the Inateck sleeve, so I can have a pro ergonomic setup in a hotel, a cafe, or a remote studio. And to wrap this up, two honorable mentions. First, the Whoosh, because the M5 is a fingerprint magnet, and this spray is non-toxic and safe for everything from your Mac to your studio TV, to your iPad, to your iPhone. You can use it on everything. And I bought it a year ago, maybe more, and it will probably last for another year. Now, I'm the kind of person that can't stand fingerprints or skin oil or any kind of dirt on my computers, and this Whoosh liquid makes my Mac look like new. And also the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite, because if you do a lot of video calls, this 4K AI camera tracks your movement and makes you look 10 times more professional. So if like me you want to have a professional look, a 4K look, instead of the not so good built-in camera on your MacBook, you will really like this tiny camera. And so that's it. All these items transform my Air M5 into a professional workstation, and that's pretty much what I use every single day, to be honest. I'll leave all the links of these products in the description. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.